one of Ukraine's most elite fighter pilots, trained abroad, feared by enemies. And now, he's gone. Shot down in combat just days after taking to the skies in the legendary F-16. But what really happened? And what does this mean for Ukraine's air war? This is the story of the fallen Falcon. For over 2 years, Ukraine has defended its skies with outdated Soviet jets. But in 2025, that changed. The long-awaited Western jets finally arrived. Among them, the iconic F-16 Fighting Falcon. Among the first to fly it, Major Serhiy Kovalchuk, age 34, a top graduate of NATO pilot training in Denmark and the United States. Major Kovalchuk wasn't just skilled, he was respected. His call sign Hawk wasn't given, it was earned. Friends say he could feel the sky and bend the jet to his will. But on June 27, 2025, during a high-risk interception near the front lines, his squadron encountered what appeared to be a Russian Su-35 patrol. What happened next was chaos. Russian radar locked onto the squadron. Electronic jamming began. Missiles were launched one, then two. Major Kovalchuk attempted evasive maneuvers flying low, using terrain masking. But then, radio silence. His jet disappeared from radar. Moments later, smoke on the horizon. Ground troops rushed to the crash site. The F-16's wreckage was found near Kramatorsk. The cockpit was destroyed, but they found his dog tag half-melted still intact. Ukraine's Air Force confirmed Major Serhiy Kovalchuk was KIA. Some ask, was this F-16 deployment rushed? Did Ukraine gamble too soon with too few jets? Or was this simply the price of resistance, paid in blood by those brave enough to fly? The war continues, but the skies will remember Hawk. Subscribe for more battlefield reports and untold stories from the front lines. This is military news. Salute to the heroes who never return.